students, today we are going to start Microsoft Office. We are going to study Microsoft Office 2021, the latest version of Microsoft Office. What is Microsoft Office? First of all, we are going to discuss the introduction to Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is an application software suite. Software suite means combination of more than one softwares in one package. Combination of more than one softwares in one package is called a software suite. For example, when you install Microsoft Office in your computer, you will get Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher and Microsoft Outlook. You will get 6 programs. That is why it is called a software suite. There are other suites also. For example, when you install Adobe suite, you will get Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign inside your computer. And when you buy Corel graphic suite, you will get CorelDRAW Photo Paint, CorelDRAW Tracer. There are many companies that are making the software suites or combinations of softwares. So, what is the purpose of Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is designed for computerizing or automation of office work. Okay, automation means to computerize something. For example, what do we do in my offices? We do documentation, letter writing, report writing, book writing, newspaper writing in offices. These are the documentation works. For that purpose, Microsoft has introduced Word. Okay, and we do accounts in offices, addition, subtraction, multiplication and many mathematical operations. For these purposes, Microsoft has introduced Microsoft Excel. We do data keeping or record keeping in offices. For that purposes, Microsoft has introduced MS Access. And the Publisher is a software that is used for desktop publishing. What is desktop publishing? For example, I need a business card or visiting card for my client, and I don't have client business card printed. I will open the Publisher and create a new card and print it for my client. Microsoft PowerPoint, like you are seeing that presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint page. So Microsoft PowerPoint is used for the presentation of something. Similarly, Microsoft Outlook is used to send, receive, save emails, official emails. For example, if you want to save your email in your My Documents folder, you will use the Microsoft Outlook. Next to that, there is an introduction of Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a GUI processing program. GUI means graphical user interface. It is a text editing software. It is a documentation software. What do we do in text editing? There are 5 basic features of text editing software: creating, deleting, saving, printing, formatting the text. This type of software that is used to create, delete, save, print and format text or documents is called the word processor or the documentation software. So Microsoft Word is a documentation software. Uses of Microsoft Word: we can check the spelling and grammars in the text in Microsoft Word. We can introduce the word art feature. Word art means creating stylish text that looks nice and sleek in our documents. We can use to send emails, legal documents, letters and produce them in Microsoft Word. We can write news articles in Microsoft Word. We can write the scholarly documents. Scholarly documents, what are the scholarly documents? For example, you are the student of the BS and you are given a research on computer or on business or on marketing, and you are going to conduct that research. After that research, you will write a report. That report will be called the scholarly document. You can prepare the scholarly documents in Microsoft Word also. You can prepare the envelope. For example, in our office, if we want to send a letter in our own envelope with our own logo, with our own business name, we can create the envelope in Microsoft Word. Similarly, if you are on internet and you are running a blog website, what is a blog website? Like you see my website pictacademy.com, it is giving you information about the course of IT. You can read all my topics on my website. This type of website that is promoting the education, that is presenting topics, is called a blog. Or for example, you go to internet and you find the beauty tips, and some websites are presenting the beauty tips in written form in the form of blogs. This is also a blog. Okay. You can use Microsoft Word for home and homework also, and for publishing of books. For example, I am writing new books on IT. This year, inshallah, you will see my books inside the market also. I am also preparing my books in Microsoft Word. Okay. Compiling the documents. Compiling means, for example, if you are using a traditional typewriter, typewriter needs more power to press the keys. Also, if you type a whole page and you have a mistake in the middle of the page, you will have to tear off the page and write it again. But in Microsoft Word, it is not needed to tear off the page. If you have written whole page and you have 50 mistakes on the page, you will just press F7. Microsoft Word will clear all the mistakes and your document will be saved. Okay. Now, what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software, is an accounting software. It is a digital sheet software or electronic sheet software. Microsoft Excel is used in Windows, Mac OS and other operating systems also. It also provides us graphical tools for calculation, for graphing, for pivot tables and for microprogramming. What is microprogramming? For example, I am going to prepare a test for you. For example, I give you 100 MCQs and you will put tick or cross at the end of each MCQ, and at the end of that test, computer will show the result. This type of test can be prepared in Microsoft Excel. Now, where Microsoft Excel is used? Microsoft Excel is used for building charts. What is chart? The graphical representation of data. The pictorial representation of data is called chart. Visual representation of data is called chart. Used for conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? For example, I have the result of 10 students on my sheet. I want to highlight the students which are getting more than 90 marks with green color. I want to highlight the students that are getting between 60 and 90 with pink color, and I want to show the students that are taking below 33 marks with red color. This sort of formatting is called conditional formatting. Microsoft Excel is used to identify the trend or forecast. Forecast means, for example, we are spending, Microsoft Excel will check our spending pattern, our budget, and it will present the next budget on the basis of that. It also brings the data together on one sheet. Microsoft Excel has also 365 or online access. Next is Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation graphical package. Like you can see that we are presenting our topic on PowerPoint slides. PowerPoint is used to present something in the form of text, in the form of graphics, in the form of pictures, okay, in the form of videos also. We can use PowerPoint to prepare our presentations. That presentation may be any topic. That may be a lecture, like you are seeing your lecture on PowerPoint slide. That may be an introduction to product. For example, I want to sell that mobile phone, and I will add the pictures of that mobile phone. I will add the features of that mobile phone on the PowerPoint slides and present it to my clients. Okay, so Microsoft PowerPoint provides us graphical tools. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool to create the vector diagrams, icons, illustrations, etc. We can also use to create flyers or ads in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint also helps us to create charts of any task. We can use smart art and graphics in Microsoft PowerPoint. Also, what is Microsoft Publisher? Publisher is a desktop publishing application used to create basic graphics like business cards, like emails, like calendars, like daily tasks, journals. Last one is the Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a software that is used for data management. It is a DBMS, database management system software. Database management system software is used for record keeping. Okay, we use Microsoft Access for record keeping, to store the records of our organization, our shop, or any other business. Now let's talk about Microsoft Office versions. Microsoft Office was first time introduced in 1995. That was known as Office 95. Later on, it was introduced in the second version was introduced in 1997. It was called Office 97. Then Microsoft introduced another version, Microsoft Office 2000 in 2000, and then with Windows XP, Microsoft introduced Office 2003. Then there was a version Microsoft Office 2007, Microsoft Office 2010, Microsoft Office 2013, Microsoft Office 2016, Microsoft Office 2019, and now you are using Microsoft Office 2021. That's a little bit introduction about Microsoft Office. What is Microsoft Office?